All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom properties in your TunePipe CRM. This addresses sort of a common question, which is how do I map out my contacts for first name and last name? Because by default, the TunePipe CRM includes just a name field. And that's kind of what we recommend. Just add a name field and people can choose whether or not they want to sign up with their first and last name. And then when you're sending out emails, you just add the first name label and it will just use their first name, anything that appears before that first space. This is sort of standard practice and that's what we recommend. But often people are coming over from other systems and they've got two columns, one for first name and one for last name. And then when they go to import those leads, there's just a name field and they're not sure how to approach that. So what I'm going to show you addresses that, but it also can apply to other situations where maybe you want to add a custom property to your CRM that doesn't exist. Maybe you want to know what people's ages are. Maybe that's relevant, or when their birthdays are, whatever it is that you want to add to your forms, or even just have inside of your CRM for organizational purposes. You can go in and create custom properties, and then in the future, when importing leads, you'll have the option of mapping out the information you're importing based on these custom properties. So that probably made a few heads spin. I'm going to show you what I mean, and it's fairly easy, and then when I think you see it in practice, it will make sense. So for example, let's say, I'm here in a test account. Let's say I want to import leads, right? I come here, I click import now. I've got this test file that I've created that just has me on it, just my email address. So when I come here, first name, that's a column. It says John, last name, Ojaka, email, John Ojaka. So it's got some sort of intelligence to it, so automatically it's recognized that this is a name. But you'll see here, there's no first name option, just name. So that's what I want to do. And then email, it's already figured out that this is an email, so it's mapped it appropriately. But I don't really have any option here, and I don't want to just assign it to name because that can really confuse things. So what do I do? That's where the custom properties come in. And like I said, you can use custom properties for for a wide array of reasons, but this is the most common one that comes up. So I'm just going to close this. I don't want to import this contact yet because I want to have, in this hypothetical scenario, a first name and a last name field. Again, it's not what I would personally do. I would just use name, but many people want that. And there are many good reasons why they might want that. So what you do is from within your builder, you come over to contacts, you come down to settings, you click custom properties or customer properties, and then you click create property. Now I'm going to call this first name. You can put any description you want in here. First name of contact. Single line of text. You have options, but I'm going with single line of text. And I want to make this available in my forms so that I can add this to future forms. So I click save property, and it's as simple as that. Now let's create another one. Last name. And I'm going to type last name of contact, single line of text, available in forms, save property, and we're done. Now I'm going to come over, I'm going to come back to my contacts. I'm going to click add contact. Sorry, no, I don't want that. I want to import contacts. Now I'm going to click I agree that these people gave me the permission to add them to my list. Very important that you always, you don't go and just add any old person to your list. I click import now. There's that test file. And now it's already figured it out. This is a first name. This is a last name because of the label in my file. But if it didn't figure it out, I could just come down here and I've got first name and last name. And I can map things out that way. So it's as simple as that. That's how you add a custom properties to TunePipe, and you may want to do this for a wide array of reasons. And then I would just click next. I'd follow the prompts and import everybody. But again, this is a test, and I don't need to do that. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.